Okay guys, thank you for tuning back in. It's been a while. You know what? I got 2 songs for you today. Only 3 chords. They're gonna be easy chords, and one of them is gonna be by XXXTENTACION and Lil Peep. Second song is gonna be by Billie Eilish, and both of them are played with the same chords: C major, A minor, and E minor. Let's get busy. So here we go, guys. The first one, okay, for example, is gonna be falling down, okay. The first chords are gonna be C, the only thing I do right there at the end after playing the C, A, and then E minor is that I press the second string, the B string, right here on the 3rd fret. Okay, so that would be the easy play. That would be the easy way of playing that song. Now, if you know how to play chords, then you can do a C right here on your 5, 6, 7, 8 fret, as you can see right here in the picture in the diagram. Got it? So you know, you can mess around and start right here playing your normal C, A, and E, and as the song develops, right, then you can move down and do your chords. Okay, what I do right there is press on the 10th fret on the E string. When I have my E minor right here, that's what you hear right there. It's actually the 10th fret, and I got my pinky on the 1st string. So that's how you play that song. Alright? This is gonna be the easy way of playing this song, okay? Playing the C, A minor, and E minor, okay? Then I'm gonna show you how to play the hard way. Alright guys, so in this way the chords that we're gonna do are the same, but we're gonna play them on bar chords, okay? We're gonna do a C right here, C major, A minor, and then E minor right here. And I'm gonna be posting the chords somewhere here on the screen. So here we go. Then we're gonna do both of them, alright? If we can. Now, going on Billie Eilish song, Bellyache, this is how you do it. You also do the C, right? So the only thing is that every time, you know, you're gonna hear the guitar changing from is actually the same chords but played right here on these first 3 frets, and then also you're gonna hear the guitar doing the same chords but on bar chords, okay, just like we did with the other one. So here we go, guys. So when you do the C, put your pinky right there on the 3rd fret. There we go. So you got a minor right there, and instead of staying there, you just move, you kind of cut them in half, you know, and you move to your A minor right here. Right? And same thing with the E minor, instead of going just... See, so that's all you do. You do the only one that you're not gonna do a bar chord is the C chord, okay? Got it? So here we go. See what it sounds like. Well, this is it, fam. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and come and see me again. I got some other videos that you may like, so why don't you go and check them out. Peace out, till next episode.